What's up guys, it's Anna and we're doing another oil change on the M340. If you watched the last video, it did not go very well, so I'm hoping it goes a lot better this time, but let's get into it. I don't want anyone commenting on my shoes, okay? It's okay. Don't worry. Oh my god!
5 hours later.
Okay, I got a lot of comments on my last oil change about not having jack stands on the back. Guys, I just didn't show it, but there is jack stands back here. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. They're there. They're there. Guys, this creeper is really good. I don't know where we got it. Was it Canadian Tire? Canadian Tire. It's pretty good. If it goes down. Okay. Nice. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Maybe try this.
Up. Nice. It feels stuck. Guys, it's like literally stuck. It's literally stuck.
You should not.
Okay, that's literally all my body strength then.
Time for gym. Look.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hey, I got it this time. Let's go. Hey, I actually kept the washer with it. Nice, nice. Why is this so stuck? Oh, that's okay. I hate this part right here. Ta-da! Guys, don't wear rings while doing an oil change because it gets stuck. O-ring is off. Filter, pretty standard. Guys, remember, you want to get your O-ring lubed up. Oily. You want to get your O-ring oily. Okay, that's in and we didn't crack it, guys. I'm happy. Now just gotta tighten it up. Okay guys, I am putting Pennzoil in the M340. Everyone came at me for this. I have no idea why so many of you are like obsessed with liquid moly, but if you watch like Project Farm's video or like a lot of other creators videos, this is totally fine for the price and the quality of the oil. You can put it in your car, but to each their own.